Have you ever considered that you might be vitamin D deficient? According to some statistics, there's a very good chance that you are. Some reports put the percentage of people with a vitamin D deficiency as high as 50%. That's a staggering number of people who could be suffering from serious health issues that could be alleviated, in part by more sunshine. This lack of an essential vitamin can have significant consequences for your everyday life that you may have never associated with not getting enough sunlight. These consequences include depression, cancer, and fragile bones. Yes, the primary source for vitamin D is the sun. Our body converts sunlight into nutrients that strengthen our bones and muscles. However, the sun isn't the only source for vitamin D. It's found predominantly in fresh fish and eggs, but can also be bought in supplement form. Vitamins D1, D2, and D3 are all fat-soluble and are commonly found in all health food stores. If you think you might be in that 50% that suffers from a lack of vitamin D, take a look at these symptoms for more information. Fatigue. If you're constantly run down and just never have enough energy, it could be because you don't have enough vitamin D for your body to produce the energy you need to keep up on a daily basis. One of the culprits of chronic fatigue syndrome is not getting enough sunlight. Skin conditions. While too much sun is bad for your skin, too little sun can also be a big problem. Specific skin conditions associated with autoimmune issues are often a result of low vitamin D levels. Psoriasis is one good example. It's believed that a healthy amount of exposure to the sun will keep those bad cases of psoriasis from flaring up. Immune system issues. Vitamin D helps us maintain a strong and healthy immune system that can fight off infections and diseases. People with lowered immune systems normally have lowered vitamin D levels. Therefore, you're more likely to get sick regularly if you're not getting enough natural sunlight. General soreness. This sunlight vitamin helps our bones and muscles grow stronger and remain healthy. Deep pains in the bones that are thought to be a result of low bone density could reflect a vitamin D deficiency, especially if the pain doesn't improve with normal medication. Seasonal depression. Some know this issue as SAD, or seasonal affective disorder. It takes place in the winter months in climates with a lot of rain and very little sunlight. It normally goes away at the end of the dreary season. People with SAD should look for alternative methods to increase their exposure to natural or simulated sunlight to help offset the effects of this disorder. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.